Hello, and sorry I haven't done a video for quite a while, it's just I've been busy. Alright, we're back to our survival shooter, and I'm gonna finish this tutorial off probably in this episode, because we're working AS2, and this couple of months I've been using AS3, I've learnt it, and I think it's much better if you learn AS3, so I'll be showing you the transaction to learn AS3 from AS2, because it's quite a leap, because AS2 is like every timeline based, well AS3 is with classes and packages, so it's a lot different. But today we're going to finish this off, not finish it off, but get to a good standard. I mean, finish the enemy off. So you got AS2 enemy AI. So as you notice, the enemy doesn't take any health down. Also, cannot kill the enemy. So we're going to fix that. First I need to look, do we have a bullet array? We have a bullet array. Just get clear of the code. Okay. If we put a function here, well, a for loop here, for looping through the bullet array, so it'll hit test with every element of the zombies array, and that should work. Oops, I've put I there, not B. Now we'll go if, put that there, bullet array dot hit test zombies I. Did we make a health variable for zombies? We did not. z.health equals 100. Zombies.I .b his test zombies.I zombies.I dot health minus equals 20. Trace zombies.health, just so we know it's working. Yeah, it is working. So we'll just put something else here now. Put something down here. It'll be if zombies I, actually zombies I dot health is less than or equal to 0, then we want to remove the zombie from the scene, or we could put him to a dead frame where you would play a dead animation, but that'd be like, to do that you'd go zombies dot go to and stop, then the name of the frame with the death animation on the zombie movie clip, and at the end of that death animation you would have an unload, just like this. But I haven't got a death animation for the zombie. Well, I don't think I do. I don't have any animations. And as it's just a quick tutorial, I'm just going to unload him from the scene. Unload movie zombies.I. We'll also remove him from the array, so the array doesn't get really full, and that can cause some glitches. We'll just do zombies dot splice I want this is the index, the position where the element from the array gets removed. How many elements get removed? Let's just try this. Yeah, after a couple of shots he will die. If you make it less health get off, it'll take a lot more shots to die. We can also, instead of a number here, put a var here called, let's go up, see if we have one. Bullet damage. Here we go. Bullet damage. So now when we pick up different weapons, the bullet damage changes, making each weapon hurt the zombie more. So let's go and pick up this other weapon, see if it kills him quicker. How did we change weapons again? Number 2, there. Yeah, that weapon kills him quicker. Right. We also want to make the zombie hurt us. So, we'll go, let's say this. Char. Yeah. Quite an easy little piece of code, just down here. If zombies eye dot hit test char. I'm going to do underscore root char just to be safe. Then we'll want our life to go down, not by too much but by a bit. So we'll go HP minus minus. So when he's next to us, he's hurting us. Like that. But we don't die, which I think's just a bit weird, because if you have 0 you gotta die. So let's find an onEnter frame function. Here we go, an onEnter frame function where I can use. If HP is less than or equal to 0, instead of dying, we could go to a die screen. We could go underscore root dot go to, and if you had another frame, die or go to and start number 2 if that's a frame which your die screen's on. So if you want a die screen, have die screen. But I'm just going to reset the character to his normal position by setting the HP back to 100 and just setting his position equal 100. $111, $115. So char underscore root dot char dot underscore x equals 150. Let's see, underscore root dot char dot underscore y equals 110. We'll get the tank to equal false as well. Oh no, doesn't matter, that won't matter. So now we'll let the zombie kill us and let's see what happens. We're set to the position up here, full life, but we can't just reset with full life, we'll have to reset with full everything. So food equal max food. And what was the other one? It was energy, yes. So energy equals max energy. Max energy. So now when we die, we should just die and spawn over there somewhere, and all our stats should reset like that. Right, that's a bit glitchy, because I think our food loss, which equals 90, is just taken away. So where's the function where we lose food? We need to make energy loss equal 1, that's right. And I don't know if that'll solve it, but might solve it slightly. Still no. See, food loss will make that equal 90. It worked, but then it jumped again. I really need to solve this. Food. This is our food, isn't it? I just can't remember. Oh yeah. Oh right, and that's our energy. That makes more sense now. I thought that was food. So what's minus an energy? What is minus an energy? Oh, I know what's minus an energy. One more walk, I think. Where did we put the walk in for the character? Oh yeah, here we go. No, it's not. Temp energy minus equal 0.5. So where's temp energy? Temp energy equal 101. Let's just reset everything. Make it a lot easier. Where does that go? Oh, here we go. Energy needed equal 20. Right, yeah. That's working again. Okay, but now there's a little glitch we'll have to fix before this tutorial can end. Basically, he's not chasing the tank, and he just killed us like there for some reason. So what we do is we got a tank variable to say if we're in the tank. If it equals true, don't hurt the player. If it doesn't equal true. So if tank variable, what I said is if tank variable equals false, It's just a fancy way of saying equals false. HP minus minus. If it equals true, don't hurt the player because you're in the tank. So instead, want him to chase the tank. We'll just go if tank doesn't equal true. So if you're not in the tank, do that. Else, if you're in the tank, want it to compare distances with the tank, not with the char. Okay, what did we call the tank? So want it to compare distances with the tank, Pythagoras, instead of the char. Just like that, and that should work fine. So he chases us. As soon as we go in the tank, it should start chasing the tank. Hopefully. Yeah. Chasing the tank now. Does the tank bullets hurt him? No, they don't. It might be because the tank bullets aren't getting added to the array. We'll see. It says they are. This should hurt him. So them bullets hurt him. Takes a lot, but it does hurt them. Let's say the tank bullets. No, the tank bullets aren't hurting him for some reason. We'll just make sure they're hitting him, to be certain. So that hit, because we've got a trace. So when we get in the tank, if we don't get a trace, then they're not hitting. No, they're not hitting. I don't think that it's not hitting. I just think that. Actually, I don't know what to think. Well, I'll have to have a closer look at this. See, this is why I want to change to AS3, because AS3 is a lot less buggy, you could say, than this, as AS2 is so difficult. Once you've done AS3, you'll wonder why you never went to AS3 first. But let's see, 80 minutes done. Just need to work out now why this isn't working. Gonna trace the bullet array. Get in the tank. So the bullets are being created, but are they getting attached to the array? Let's try this. They are getting attached to the array. For some strange reason, they're not hitting the enemy. And I'm quite clueless on this. I don't know why they're not hitting the enemy. Pushing them the same way. Maybe we just need to do that. They did hit there for some reason. Might be some kind of conflict, I'm thinking. That's why I'm changing everything. So you get a hit there. Hits twice actually. No worries. And I got a hit for the first one, but for any of us didn't get hit for. I'm going to pause the video just to see what's wrong. Right, there's two things I've done to get this working. I put a splice, taking the bullet out of the array once it's hit the zombie. Also, what really made this not work was we didn't put num++ here, so we're just instigating the same bullet over the current bullet, and that's why it was only hit testing once or no times. So as I say now, it's working. Like that. Okay. I'm going to wrap that tutorial up there. It seems that the enemy AI is quite finished, and I think you can learn a lot from this tutorial. So I might be posting another one on this, but just to let you know, I'm going to move to AS3, and so I'll be expecting it, and I'll be teaching it obviously how to move from AS2 to AS3, because I've had some journey. It's really difficult, but I'm sure we'll get there in the end. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.